While he works on his car, I'm just gonna skate. Kyle's with me, Tristan's with me, and the other homie Tyrell, and Tyrell's brother as well. But yeah, it started raining, and it's kind of cold, so we didn't want to work on the car outside. Good thing we didn't even start, because literally we were chilling, because we were planning to go to the indoor spot, but outside wasn't too bad, and then we were just like, nah, let's not do it, let's just wait. So we waited, because we was waiting for Kyle, and then it started raining. Imagine if we would have started working on the car, we would have been sick right now. But yeah, I got Kyle behind me, Tyrell and his brother behind me as well in their cars. But yeah, we're almost at the spot, so I'll catch you guys when we park up. So we just got to the spot. That's the car that they're about to work on. These fools. Let me see some. Definitely about to pack himself up. Tight ass pants. Oh! So I got like a 30-minute skate sesh, and these guys probably still haven't taken off the brakes yet. I got some Chipotle. Me and Kyle got some Chipotle because we're fucking hungry. So I guarantee when we head back down, one side is probably not finished. I'm gonna have some faith for them though. Hopefully it is, but we'll see. You got Tristan on the job? What's going on back there?
Bullshit, bro. This is why I don't do breaks.
It's a 10-minute job, bro. You got this.
10-minute job, my ass.
What you gotta say for yourself, man? What you gotta say for yourself for the vlog, gang?
Robin.
It's how we tight right now.
He really got it out? Huh? He got it out?
He tight cause he lazy.
Brandon's come here to work. Niggas said they want to borrow some tools, so I let niggas borrow the tools. The fuck? I don't need the light bulb though.
You do?
Yeah. I'm gonna turn the 10-minute job to a 5-minute job.
10-hour, nigga.
These niggas was here for 30 minutes and they ain't get the damn motor on, bro. Shit
I
crazy.
got that shit out, though.
Easy work, bro. This is easy.
Oh, Christ. How you do that, though?
What do you mean how I do that? Nigga, you find the right size, you put the shit on the boat, and you loosen it. You hold it here. Just put your hand against it.
I wasn't laying down there, I'm sorry.
Madness. Combination.
Hold the caliper. So this is the new rotor, right? Y'all see this, right? Y'all see that there's two things right here, some space in the middle? What the fuck? Where's the space at?
Shit, boy.
Yo, guys, you got from 2 to 1.
How is you breaking? There's nothing there. Yo!
Nothing in the back, bro.
Bro, it's crazy. First, we move this out the way. Let's hit this shit dumb hard, bro.
Like, right here?
Bro, you scaring me, bro.
Right here?
No.
Yo. What you want me to hit, bro?
Bro, just hit the corner, bro. Just like, He-Man the shit. Is the e-brake up? Say that again?
Yo, this shit bad.
No. Say what you said. No. Say what you said before, bro.
Yo, bro.
This man's crazy, bro.
How bad is that?
Bro, look at this.
2 things, bro.
Look at this.
Space in the middle.
Yo,
Yo,
nah.
bro, you ate away this and you even ate away almost at the space in the middle.
You lucky the caliper is still good.
Shit, burn rubber and brake.
Yeah, it's breaking all right. The proof is right there. All right, bro, put the new one on, bro. You're over here wasting time. This is insane. Is there only one pad? Oh, there's 2 pads. Yo, bro, that's crazy.
How far out this thing's pushed?
Roads out here risking life. You better hope this shit push back in. After a whole hour and 5 minutes, I got this shit on.
First of all, my lips is dry, so don't do that to me right now. Secondly, I was working hard. That's why I look like this.
Yeah.
Feel me? We got the job done. I'm proud of myself.
We? Who's we?
We did it, guys.
Crazy.
We did it. Yo, cuz, you gotta do it outside by yourself, though.
Definitely gotta do the other side by yourself, bro.
Just got a live tutorial, man.
Facts. 5 hours later and we're finally done. About to head out. Look at this shit. Why is the road like this? Why is the road like this? Yo, I can't. Anyways, though, I'm on my way to the exhaust shop. Well, I'm about to be at the exhaust shop right now. I'm gonna have them add 2 more hangers to my exhaust so it stops swaying back and forth. The swaying is probably a reason why my exhaust also falls off really easily. So hopefully I can get this done right now. And also it makes noise when it's swaying too, like it's hidden against the fucking subframe and shit, which is really annoying. So I'm about to go get this done right now. Look, literally right here, it's right there. I'm about to drive in the parking spot right now and get right. So right now they're about to put in a hanger from there. Now we got a hanger in the middle. Shouldn't be moving anywhere.
Shaking no more.
So I got the exhaust fixed. It's now has 3 hangers now, so it shouldn't fall off at this point. And also I thought that fixing it would stop a sound that I've been hearing, because like without the middle hanger it would like sway back and forth. So now it doesn't sway back and forth, but there is other sounds coming from my suspension. I think I have some loose bolts that I have to check out, so I'm gonna check that out tomorrow and then I'll get back with you guys. Bolts. The bolt inside here on the trailing arm was loose. This bolt right here was loose. Like loose to the point where the nut wasn't even like all the way tightened, like it was up here, like at the very last threads for the spring arm. So right now I really finished up. I didn't film anything because it was stress just to get this 3 bolts to line back up. But right now we're about to put everything back together and go for a test drive and hope that that was my situation of clunking in the back. So I missed the car meet, taking mad long to fucking finish working on my car. But look at this single turbo F80. This shit's crazy. And this shit is clean too on the BBSs. M5's clean too. Look at this 8 series on the BBSs. Everything BBS's. Yo, that's good. And you got this shit right here too. This shit is OD clean. What the fuck?
This is also his too.
That's crazy. Look at my spring. This is how it was when I was driving. That's crazy. Good thing it's still here. I had fixed the problem, right? And then I drove to Queens. Everything was good. And then I hit like 1 bump. And then I just heard like my spring start bouncing around. So what had happened was the bolt for the strut arm had fell out. Crazy, right? So I ended up going to a tire shop down the block to use their jack, and then they ended up having a bolt that I could use as well. So tightened up everything, and then everything was good again, and then I went home. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.